We believe that project management is about more than just getting the work done. Teamwork Projects gives you the tools you need to deliver the results that matter. Reduce the complexity of collaboration. Make it easy for everyone to see what they're working on, who they're working with, and what comes next, whatever size your team is. Customize your workflow. Teamwork Projects gives you the flexibility to work the way you want, whatever your process. Manage your team with trust and transparency. Empower your team to work autonomously without losing sight of the big picture. Communicate to solve problems. Work together with greater clarity and context to solve problems effortlessly. Teamwork Projects has all the features you need to collaborate effectively, hit deadlines, and achieve the results that matter to your business. Sign up for your free 30-day trial today and start working together beautifully.